guys, I'm going to teach you how to play the first few riffs that you should play or should learn. This should be the first thing you do, honestly. The first video I would recommend any beginner is learn some tabs, learn a couple of these cool riffs, because it gets you excited, gets you playing, gets you kind of addicted to it, right? And anyone can kind of sit there and play tabs and figure it out at least, right? And if you can't, comment below. I'll give you a lesson. So anyways, this is the video for you if you're a complete beginner. I'm going to break down exactly how to do these just little snippets of these fun riffs. Make sure that you are following along. I'm going to play full speed and then half speed. Let's zoom in. Okay, the first riff that I recommend is a kind of a simplified version of Smoke on the Water. It's a classic. Everyone knows it. It's silly, it's simple, it's a bit old and dated, I understand, but I love it. It's a great riff. The first riff that I ever learned when I got an electric guitar, actually. I just sit there and play that. It's not in the original key, so we're not going to talk about all that. We're just going to have some fun and get you playing something. So use just your first finger to start. If it's just too much, what I was just doing there, just use your first finger. And go 0, 3, 5, right? So these are frets, right? We're just going to play on the E string only. 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. And so I'm going to go 0, 3, 5. It's already kind of something, right? Then 0, 3, 6, 5. Then 0, 3, 5 again. And then 3, 0. Think of it in 4 lines. Line 1 is 0, 3, 5. Second line is 0, 3, 6, 5. Third line is 0, 3, 5. And then the fourth line is 3, 0. And now you're playing music. How cool is that? Okay, so that's Smoke on the Water. Have fun with that. You can try that on different strings as well, just to really get some good practice and control of your picking and your strings and all that stuff. And anyway, so Smoke on the Water, really great one. The next one I like to show my beginner students is this guy. I'll use one finger again, like I was just doing a second ago. So that's 2, 2. This is, of course, a little Stones classic. So I want to go ahead and just show you really quick how I'm doing it. I'm on the A string. This is actually in the original key now. We're on the 2nd fret of the A string. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. That's the easy part, right? The next half is 5, 5, 4, 4, and that's it. And then you can go back 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4. Now if you're using one finger, you can see that jump can be a little bit, that's a lot, right? So this is where I might say, hey, if you're struggling for that move, you can always try using different fingers, right? 3rd finger, 4th finger. Oh, that pinky sucks, I know. It's a tough one. You can always use that 3rd finger. Make it your own, just have fun with it. And then for a bonus, if you can get a little stop in those first couple, I'm sorry, just the first one, I guess. Right, so it's a short note, and then a long note. So you're learning something else on top of the riff. 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2, 4, 5. Anyways, you get the idea. Have a little fun with a little Stones classic. The third and final riff that I'm going to show you today is going to be, again, on just one string. We're not even talking about tabs. How great is that, right? We're evading any work. We're just having fun and playing notes. So this one is a classic everyone always loves. And now we're upgrading a little bit. I'm going to get you stay on the A string here, but we're going to be up the fretboard a little bit. So now you got to get used to, oh, look at these dots. What's going on, man? That 3rd fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, right? So get those kind of in your brain a little bit. That'll help you navigate. So this right here, little White Stripes classic, 7 Nation Army. I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. Here we go. So all that's just on the A string, as you can see. So that makes it nice, but it makes you work for it. So that's why it's the 3rd one, okay? So 3, 5, 7 are these dots, by the way. 7, 7, 10, 7. And you may notice I'm using my fourth finger there, just because it's, in my opinion, the easiest way to do it. You can always go 7, 7, jump to 10, 7. Totally cool, nothing wrong with that. You saw I almost missed it right there. I wasn't even trying, I'm actually trying to play it right. That's the way I'll do it. Or you can use your third finger. Right? Up to you, have fun. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. One more time with me. 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 2. Work that again, again, and again. And for a bonus, you can mix that up in the chorus. He actually goes 7, 7, 10, 7, 5, 3, 5, 3, 2. And that's it. Learn those 3 riffs, have some fun. Thanks so much for tuning in, you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And consider becoming a Patreon member.